Hi everyone, it's summertime, so I guess everyone is excited about the upcoming Summer Olympics tomorrow. Today's recipe is about one of the most popular game day and party foods, chicken wings. In Chinese cuisine, the traditional way to cook chicken wings is usually to braise them, such as soy sauce, oyster sauce, or even Coke braised chicken wings. They're perfect for the dinner table, but not so much for eating with your bare fingers. So today we'll be introducing a new recipe of chicken wings called New Orleans baked chicken wings. The name is based on the popular New Orleans baked chicken offered in KFCs in China. And yes, KFCs in China are very different from KFCs in some Western countries. The business gained a big success in China by localizing its menus. New Orleans baked chicken wings is a great example. Even though the name suggests that it has something to do with New Orleans, you actually cannot find them in New Orleans, and it is made with mostly Chinese spices. It is great party food, easy to make, and has amazing taste. You'll impress your guests with 3 simple steps. So let's get started! The first step is just to get the ingredients ready. You might underestimate this step, but it's very important to get the flavors right. You'll need some washed and defrosted chicken wings, some honey, and some marinade powder. You have 2 options here. First, you can buy one of those ready-for-use New Orleans marinade powder pack if you can find them in Asian markets. This makes the life a lot easier. If not, you can also choose to make the marinade from scratch, which means you'll also need 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. It seems like a lot, but as long as you get the right mix, you can use it for many times later. Second, marinate. Simply put the powder mix and the chicken in a Ziploc bag or a bowl. Mix them well. Marinate them in the fridge overnight. If you're in a rush, you can do the next step right after you marinate them, but the longer it sits, the better it tastes. Third, bake. You need to brush or pour on a layer of honey. Honey on the chicken wings will get caramelized and make the skin crispy and have a shiny finish. I usually like to use those honey Sichuan tea mix because it's more condensed and less liquid, so it's easier to stay on the wings. But the regular honey would be just fine too. In a preheated oven, bake it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. You can also barbecue it. And there you have it, some beautiful chicken wings with wonderful flavors. With those delicious wings, now you're ready for the game day! Hope you enjoy the games. Subscribe for more recipes like this.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it